Here's a quick follow-up after replacing the power supply fan. It's definitely tons quieter after doing that. What I've also done is I placed some cheap little 24 to 12 volt buck converters. Two of them for the fans on the heat break. These are the TMC 2130s in standalone mode. The jumpers coming out of them is to increase the clock on them. Another thing is that the enable pin for the X and Y is being left open so that they are really only using power while receiving the signal. Otherwise, they're going to power up to 100%, and when not receiving any input, they're gonna go and idle at about 60. You can also see this Noctua fan that I made a little mount for to blow over the X and Y, as those are going to be getting the most use. And I've also replaced the one where the stock fan was placed. And that's just going to blow over the extruder stepper drivers. I think that's it for the changes on the bottom. And next up, I will just show this thing printing in action, and you can see how silent it is.